How about the 1928 Ford Model A Roadster pickup? This thing is stunning. This thing is just maroon and black over black, comprehensive restoration, converted to 12 volts, which makes it start a little bit easier. And sometimes those 6 volts are a little twicky. Aluminum intake with a 2-barrel carb.
That's
Isn't that funny? A 2-barrel carb was like, whoa.
It's a big deal in 28.
Yeah. When most of them were 1-barrel downdrafts. So they were upside down. So the fuel just leaked out.
Yep. Yeah. They were on the side of the engine, right?
How do it know how to get the fuel up when it's pointing? It's like
magic.
It's like the thermos. How does it know if you put coffee in the morning or iced tea in the morning? It's either one's hot or one's cold, and I don't understand how it knows the difference.
Martians.
I think it could be. Or marshmallows.
Yeah.
What a wonderful, wonderful Roadster pickup.